When my foundation shade isn't quite perfect, it's so easy to adjust with Liquid Mirage and the amazing adjusters. Check this out. Perfect shade just for me. I'm going to blend that in all over and then add a little bit of that darker adjuster to create a contour look and some warmth. Beautiful warm blush in Demure, just a little color and glow. I'm using the liquid liner in Champagne as a creamy eyeshadow and tapping it out across the eyelids for a one swipe quick color look. Light brows with just the pencil side of the 2-in-1 brow definer. Want a pink lip that's not too bold? Line with a bright pink liner like we're doing right here, and then finish with a neutral lip color like our Merengue liquid lipstick. For an extra finishing touch, SPF 30 in our blotting and setting powders. Love it.